This light is too much. I have to reduce this light a bit. Oh, let's have it this way. So let's go ahead and have the analysis for today's market so that we can see what the market is going to look like. Um, Let me just go ahead and share you my screen, okay? All right, now, beautiful. So I got to post this on my channel so that you can get notified before we start the analysis, okay? So one sec. Hold on one sec. I got to put this on my Telegram channel so that my people are going to get notified. Let me know if you're seeing my screen, please. So just so that we're going to start very soon. So let's get going. You know, I love to draw out my previous day liquidity, and that is the first thing we got to do right now. So I got to draw out my previous day liquidity, okay? So I go straight to my 4 hours time frame, all right? Now I have my screen, so I want to zoom properly so I can draw out the previous day liquidity, all right? So yeah, so today is Wednesday, so we're gonna draw out the liquidity for Tuesday, which this was the first one. So let me zoom out the screen properly so that I can see exactly what I'm doing, okay? I will get another one at the bottom, which has been swept out. And then we got another one at this level. We got another liquidity at this level. And then we got this also taken out Tuesday, right? And then lastly, we can grab these two together, okay? So now that we have this, we're gonna be looking at, okay, where exactly are we gonna have our trade, all right? So we go back to 5 minutes time frame to check the price action, check the market structure, know the character of the market, and then we can decide exactly what to do. Okay. So looking at this market, the opening of today's market, which was the Asian section, all right, shows a bullish momentum, which was this bullish momentum that we have up to this level. So the Asian session showed a bullish momentum, and that's gonna be a watch out for us, okay? That's gonna be a watch out for us. And then now we gotta consider if we're gonna be having any kind of reasonable price action to be drawn out. So I think we can go for this trend line and then have it down to this level. Okay, I think we can go for this. Then you can go ahead and clone. right? Then you can have it to the downside like this. Okay, I think this makes it more valid like this. Now we can consider this to be a breakout, but this shows a downtrend. Then we have little ranging. Then after this few ranging, that's exactly where we're gonna be considering what's gonna happen. Okay, so from what I'm seeing right here, we have a key point at this level. Okay, we have a key point at this level because the market has been respecting that level. If you check carefully, uh, the market respected that level from here, also from here, also from here, and then from here. Okay, before having a breakout, then at this level, it's also turning that level to a support level. All right. If you check it out carefully, you understand what I'm doing right here. You see that it's turning that place to a support level, and then we can consider to have a key point at the bottom as well. That's this level, right? So now that we have all of this drawn out, so we got to consider: are we going for a buying or a sell? After having all of this done together, are we going for a buy or a sell? That is the big question, right? So we're not going to make a decision right now because the initial momentum shows us a buy momentum. Then unfortunately, the market went down. So we might consider that this is a retracement, okay? But I love to trade exactly where the UK section begins, okay? So immediately this UK session begins, that's when I love to go for my trade. So at the moment, I'm still gonna be patient, all right? I'm gonna be patient to see exactly what's gonna happen in the market, all right? But from what I can see right here, we have a downtrend. Now we have a ranging market right here, and the market is trying to turn this level to the new key point, all right? So I got to label that as key point. Um, I got to label that as key point. So let me see how I can do that. Hold on, I'm having a network challenge. Let me reload this properly, okay? So I'm seeing a buy. I'm looking at a buy in the market, but it is very good to be disciplined on what you want to do. So I'm very disciplined to trade exactly when the UK session opens. So I'm not gonna have a trade at this time. I don't know. The network seems bad. Network seems very bad, but that's okay. I got to change my network connection. So we are looking at a buy, but want to make sure we do that right. Okay. So immediately when it's UK section, we're gonna be having a trade. So at the moment, we're gonna stay patiently to see how the market is gonna play around. So we're gonna have our trade during the UK session. So what we're gonna do now is to be patient, wait carefully, use the comment section to ask questions. Okay. So when is UK session? We're expecting we're gonna make our decision during the UK session. All right. So we want to call this place a key point.